Hello and welcome to the Salon Business Blueprint Intensive course. Oh my God, I am so excited to be able to share this course with you. This course is going to cover so much and help you really dive deep and get your business structure in order. Now, please, as you go through this course, take your time. Go through every part, learn the lessons, take the notes, and apply it. Do not move on to the next section until you have applied the information that you have just learned from the first section. Listen, I'm telling you this because I do not want you to take this course and collect a notebook full of information. That is not my intention at all. My entire intention is to help you gain clarity on how to structure and organize your entire business so that you can create freedom, time freedom, by building a team, not in building a clientele, but having everything in a system to where it's easy for you to operate or hire a manager so that they can operate your business for you in the manner that you are about to lay out. So this is your blueprint. This is an intensive, I must remind you. So get a special notebook ready for this. Take all the notes you need. Get the clarity on it. Implement it. And then move on. Do not try and just breeze through the course and watch every video after video after video and just write down all the information. But please take your time, go through every part. Once you are done with one module, if you have to go back and rewatch it to make sure that you've got all the pieces, please do so. And then implement that part. I want you to actually check these things off your list. I don't want you to collect it anymore. This is your last training. Well, the last training you took was the last training that you have taken of just collecting information. It is now time to implement and put in the structure that you want to get the business that you desire. And I'm going to give you that blueprint in order to get there. So on that note, once again, thank you. Thank you for joining the intensive course to get your salon business blueprint down pack. Once again, this is your salon business blueprint. I am going to give you the classes and the tools and the knowledge that you need in order to be able to lay down this blueprint in the way that is beneficial for you first and your business. So once again, I want to thank you. Dive in, dive deep, get ready, get prepared. Grab a clean notebook if you need to. Go get some crayons and some highlighters, whatever you need to really go in on this course and get the material that you need and lay out your specific blueprint. Don't forget to ask any questions that you have. This course comes with the accountability inside of the Facebook group. So be sure that you're inside of the Facebook group so that you can be held accountable and to ask any and every question that you have. Remember, I do not believe in there is such thing as a dumb question, but I do believe in you do not know what you don't know until you ask. So once again, I want to thank you for taking the intensive course, and I look forward to coaching you through this program, helping you build the perfect salon business blueprint. Let's jump in.